Was on a packed commuter train home from work. Vaping or smoking is not allowed on trains. We were all squashed in like sardines, and I was standing minding my own business with one hand holding my bag and one hand on the overhead rail for balance. Dude in front of me reaches down and pulls out a vape, takes a small puff and quickly stashes it away again, seemingly hoping no one would notice. I'm side onto him so this is happening 6 inches from my eyes. He lets his breath out. Immediately the air smells of strawberries or whatever scent chemical they use in vapes. The chemical triggered a cough reflex in me. Under normal circumstances I'd have let go of the rail and covered my mouth, but I chose not to on this occasion. And then I coughed repeatedly right at his face from 6 inches away.